Alright guys, anyways, we're here at part 2 of Seems the Cashier just because of the customers lagging so much that they waste time. Bro, hurry up, leave the store, get out! Oh, come on. They should have replaced the door over here. I was looking for a job and I found a job. Excuse. The freezer. Restock. Take the freezer. I just drink water. I was looking for a job and I found a job. We had a to the guy. I hate you. Stop. I didn't do it so much. Then you noticed anything other than ordinary tonight? Well, there's been a few small incidents, but everything seems very normal. Small incidents. This is unacceptable. I mean, this place only smooth, not turning into a circus. Check everything before you continue. I don't want any surprise. I'm right there. Yes, sir. Yes, at least that guy now I'm putting down now. Gosh, why does he have to be angry all the time? What could he do, you know? The phone is for check-up clock. Nothing looks wrong with the clock. The phone routine store check-up sync. Nothing looks wrong. There's something wrong. There's no home. The phone routine check-up washroom. Yeah, where's the guy? The toilet is clogged. Can you fix it? Take the plunger. Use plunger. Thanks, you're a lifesaver. Hold on, how did you even get here? Hey, I'm talking to you. Oh my gosh, wait, wait. Fix the coffee machine. Fix machine. Alright, what's the next step? Oh! What is every time we get close to them already? Not. What's up? I need to go to the washroom. Assist the customer. Oh, 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 oh. So we can talk. Hey, it's kinda hot here. I want to buy a carton of milk. Alright, $3.75. Okay, here we go. Thanks. I'll just do this now. She even put it in her mouth. I don't feel too well. Think that's expired, ma'am. Oh, I think something was wrong with that. And you're talking about outrageous. I'm never coming here back again. This sucks. Then why did you come here? I already wanted to check up for you here. But you freaking didn't see the expiry date of it. Oh my gosh. Only 2 people know how to use the Ah! Come on, get out of the store, lady. Don't you know how to walk? I think these people are blind. Only 2 people know how to use the door correctly. Ah! Alright, let's do this. Hurry up, lady. Get out of the store. Finally. Bye. Turn on the radio. Take mop. Mop. Clean the mess. I think this is the inspector. Hey, I'm here to pick up that return package. Or there was some guy lurking around and acting weird. Thought you know, I thought you see. Alright, thanks for the hands. Pick up the package you got from the delivery man. Ooh. Thanks. Have a good night. Keep your eyes open. Oh, come on. Oh, hell no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, 50 seconds was the fastest one. I think I just counted slowly. What is this guy about? There's someone outside, a creepy man looking around. It's not safe. Run. Yeah, I swear he was here. Hello, I got information about the suspicious activity happening. Is everything alright? Yes, officer. I saw someone creepy looking around. Help, please. What did he? What did it look like? I'm supposed to know that. I'm the only one seeing someone looking around here. Oh, I see. Okay, but okay. Once the lights go on. Alright, let's calm down. Let me check the cameras from the station. Man, I think we're good. Oh my god, the police car blew up. Sir? Ooh, 16, 15, 14, 13. Bye, guys.